And there's nothing that makes me want to shove my face in a dick more.
Nope. What the fuck? All right, what is going on, guys? So today we are back with another Tips for Dicks episode. I mean, this is such a weird series. But, I enjoy it. I've recorded all of these on the same day. Like, these first three have all been recorded on the same day. So, I do not know, what you guys have been thinking of it, what you guys have been saying about it. This shit could be popping off. This could be the shit that's making me blow up right now. Or this shit could be doing awful. I have no idea. But I'm doing it anyway because I like doing it. So, yeah, here we have another one with Romi Rain. Now, this one I've never fucking heard of. I've never heard of this one. I've had personal experience with the other two, but I've never fucking heard of this one. This one is out of left field. But anyway, let's see what she's got to say. Hopefully she's a little more exciting than Mia Malkova. I'm not going to lie. That last one was kind of boring. I can't lie. But let's see. Let's see what's going on here.
Hi, I'm Romi Rain, and here are some tips for dicks. Tip number 1. Always offer to pay for dinner. I know, we're in a new age, women empowerment, but, if you want a girl to be extra.
Nope, fuck you. Break down the goddamn fucking gender stereotype boundaries. Fuck those shits. Make the woman pay. In fact, keep your fucking dominance and just straight up stand up and walk out. Then she's fucking forced to pay. She doesn't get a choice at that point. Either do that or be like, listen here, you're fucking paying. That's a W right there. But I'm fucking around. I don't know. This was kind of mid. Honestly, if she wants to pay, that's cool. Let her pay. Don't be so fucking stuck up and arrogant and shit that you're not gonna let somebody else pay. Just if she really fucking wants to pay, let her pay. If it's a first date kind of thing, I don't know. Typically in that instance, I would kind of prefer to pay on a first date, just to be like, hey, I can pay, and I'm perfectly willing to. But, if it's in the future, if you guys have been dating for a little while or something like that, and she's like, oh, hey, I think I want to pay. Then just be like, oh, that's cool. Are you sure? Yeah. All right, cool. Nice. Cool. I appreciate that. Yeah, I don't know. It's not a big fucking deal. But yeah, don't always be the dude that pays. You don't always got to pay for everything. If she offers to pay, make the fucking decision and either say, nah, I really want to take this one, or just be like, yeah, all right, sure, that's cool. I'm cool with that. Thank you. Either way, it's fucking fine in my eyes.
Relax and think, oh my God, what a gentleman. Pay for dinner. At least offer. I have to tell you, nothing is gonna make a woman's pussy drier than if you make her pay for her own cheeseburger.
Okay, yeah. Don't be doing that shit though. Don't split the shit. Splitting the shit is weird. Especially if you're looking for a relationship or some shit here. Don't split it. If it's with friends or some shit, yeah, sure, go ahead and split that shit. Because, who cares? But don't ever split it. Whatever you do, pay as a goddamn unit. Whether she's paying or you're paying, pay as a singular fucking unit. Do not split that shit. That's the worst. Because then you're okay, we're going to go on a date, but I'm going to pay for my meal and you're going to pay for your own fucking meal. Nah, that's weird as fuck. You can literally just establish a level of togetherness just by paying together. Bottom fucking line, just don't split it. Whatever you do, no matter who the fuck pays, don't split it.
Tip number 2, make sure you smell nice. I personally don't like too much cologne. I know some people do, but for me, a little bit of spritz, that's all you need. Frankly, I'm kind of more attracted to guys right after the gym. You have a little run on. Make sure you take a little spritz of water, splash them on those balls. I like a little bit of scent behind the ears and on the back, but I don't want to taste pickle juice when I'm about to suck your dick.
What the fuck? What? Where the fuck did this go? What the? I'm lost, dude. I'm fucking lost in the sauce right now. What the fuck? I'm just gonna keep. I don't even know what a pickle. What? I'm just gonna. I'm gonna move on. I don't know what to say about this. We're gonna keep going.
That's all I'm saying. So just make sure cleanliness is next to godliness, and there's nothing that makes me want to shove my face in a dick more.
Nope. What the fuck, dude? What? Wait, what? Bro, these have all been like fairly chill to the point where I'm like, okay, this isn't that bad. And this one is just off the fucking rails all of a sudden. What the fuck? Holy shit. Okay, we're gonna keep moving. We're just gonna keep moving.
More than it looking shiny and pristine and new and all for me. Like, are you a virgin? Let's find out. Tip number 3.
Bro, what? Where? Dude, tip number 2 just took a fucking dive, bro. Like a fucking dive. I don't know what just happened. Like, I fucking just erased that moment from my life. I don't know. I feel like I just got assaulted on a fucking YouTube video. Like, what the fuck?
Share your fantasies. Communication is key in and out of the bedroom. But
You're boring. We've been through this. We literally went through this. Riley Reid already talked about this. You're copying her.
man, you'll never know what somebody is into unless you ask. I know a lot of freaky girls. A lot of girls even freakier than the men they hang out with. Maybe she likes girls too. Maybe she likes to be tied up. The best thing you can do is kind of share with a partner what kind of porn you like and maybe what kind of porn stars you like. And
Oh, wow. Look at that. Shameless plug. Literally just a shameless. She was like, share my videos. Share them around. I mean, that's what I just heard there. But I mean, again, she makes it like this is an okay point. Sure, it's important, share stuff that you're into and yada, yada, yada. I just feel like, I don't know, given that this is a series on this channel and like knowing that Riley Reid already said that, like I'm sure that they had to submit some kind of script for this. Like somebody could have been like, oh, hey, like we actually already had this exact tip pretty much shared. So maybe pick a different one. I don't know. I just kind of like a weird directing directing remark from me. I don't know. Yeah, maybe don't reuse the same points. Just saying.
see what they're into. So communication is key, and remember to speak up if you like something or don't like something. That's how you keep something happening to your body or giving it a rest. Because there's always something fun to do. Our bodies are wonderlands, right?
Okay, this one was kind of weird, not gonna lie. I felt a little assaulted at certain points. She did refer to pickle juice being on the dick. I don't know what that means. Being a guy, I don't know what that means, which is fucking scary. But yeah, fair. This one, not so many amazing points, except for the pain one. We did establish a good point that do not fucking split the bill. Splitting the bill is pussy shit. Don't do it. But yeah, outside of that, I don't know. This one, a little more mid. This one was kind of mid. A little bit. Just saying. But, anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you're enjoying this series, leave a like and hit that subscribe button. There's going to be more on the way. They're still coming out. There was one like 9 days ago. So, I think they come out like a really long fucking time. Like there's long gaps between them, but we'll keep it going. We'll keep it going. So, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of them. And yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy. Have a wonderful rest of your day. I will see you guys later. Goodbye.